building, man.
Chairman.
Was Yashin and you.
Chairman, so I saw
Oh, now, but tell you, but tell you, but tell you, what was Yashin, you know. What was Yashin, you know. I'm out from Munjani on Facebook. I Adom 106.3 FM, and we are also on YouTube. Yes, YouTube. Adom 106.3.
Man can you be free? I go from the test first. Now they are getting new YouTube mom. Yes. They say don't know YouTube ni subi.
And they say Abroa Ipumakwem.
I'm going to go YouTube.
They say yes, we are even live. They say we are even live right now. You of course.
Now I'm also a new hope for the past and in the new hope.
They say they are reviving.
Okay.
Everyone say YouTube na Adom 106.3 FM.
Yeah.
Or subscribe here. Now after what click on the notification button.
Exactly.
Send your bear every time you update you. No. Joe, about here. The person ka wujinem na ye mo pani akwaba.
Oh, opani send your when more drunti. I see your more akwaba direct here. Here they are famous so say your more akwaba. And the son of a legend. And that's sample for a day. Opani akwaba.
Kwame Majoso. Na Nyambe wiase mani kuma wiase da.
Asama kalkwa mama. First so na tete flower kwa make say biaka o.
Biaka me.
Ade bebe nku bia koso awie ya na mo nya ha.
Debi. Mrs. Obin.
Yeah.
Enra me kohwe no.
Oh, na me ka to so kwa me enko.
Say wo weekend na wo kuma.
Da bia sala.
Weekend me we na wo kuma say.
No pape wo.
Wo chese kuma say fish bo efo ne ade.
Me bo akasa me bo. What sensitive me.
Enokre.
Fish ka sie me 5 cedi kuma say. How you back kwese 10 cedi.
Say ya na o mo beto free kuma say e ba betoko.
O beto free hana ko. Na sala san yefo.
En say o mo ni bebo mo so no mato ni nyina akon kakra na aka na wo so de gi abode.
Okay.
Na already say yeji man no be fa fish no mo say fish no mo ba be fa ne ja mo nsanka fish no. Andre ti ye man no wo mo fi brown half ni ade don be fa fish wo yeji no. Do mo so ayi ba. O ka fish ho asemi ya na.
Eni yeji ayi kodo for no cost striking tin no.
O mo ekoyi na ba me yawe no.
Can you imagine?
O mo to mo how ne say premise ana.
Say bebre how ma say o ma company food. O person o champion for say o bet mama adwene koma de.
Sa.
I was not doing wo.
Yes.
They are around here.
Say one go for fi brown half for ni western radio mo ba ha ba be fa dia ko. Ba mo stranded.
And how
bet me akoyi na so your minister to mo.
To ka beti pa.
Oh, nice one. Opani
eti no ko he me say na sikofie no a che say ko ha brante pa bosumi mienu so ko he say di osi da ho na tim say tintin
papa we sky wo say sia no wa tintin
samo mo
e bebre ka tintin wo ye ho no hia na me ayesa no and me no ma ho ni grab ni twa picture na me say rade when you aduane pan kwala bi we ha dwen papa e bi di na sisi
bi bia wa
etu kwa na ko fi ho ye
oh yes na ho ye eti Mrs. Obin ye go so amu afiri mu ni tinkwa awo fefa enche bia be kwa so ntia so ne de magi
awo ye nyina ye be kwa so
be be ma na yakwa koja na Mr. Obin so na me ye no na so nko ofufu bi na me so da bi awo bi o machi no ron kwan no edma me ache se
because o de discount on your buy kwa kwache wadi kwan na kono
tinkwai no way
enma no ma mani kumu
this guy
mani kumu na mguso a kire mo ase no
okay afeni ati
for no soup
na akwa bi won kwan nim
dabi we akokwa ya hye da ku no
na akokwa be na ya
akokwa be na hye da ku no
and then kuko bebre amu wi amu ni mase kuko bebre diana who's the first no first pa me nim say no enkramosu mu mra no masesa na obi o ekrabo ni bia no say aboa no ye twani tiam na awu a enso ne ye no wan nyina ni different rice no nya de
say we say aso o twani de be hu ni moja ni mu dia kombe de wachi na ko what this 6 months wo so asa na oba
o aso be she rough
go stop ko na ye mo but when you say etimi we local ones no more ye be nya hoden ye be nya na papa so
be say they see we dey na ye say ye more so because enye easy sir am for we papa oh yes
but now me need poultry for you ko share am the chest and come to supply even 5% of the import now and come you okay and then you know crowd say oh you ma local for supply just 5% of the amount of chicken I free about and the industry will grow.
I think say one more challenge back on so raise and say feed in your man or mu use no. Ti akoko no benyi na mren beso e beton no na na ne bo no e kosoro kakra. But the edigu eyimu ba ne de ya na price no. And no form kakra nti na ma local producers no so almost so face challenges
at a very high cost.
They say because they say no all the kwa be say farm kwa. They say so the ma farm ko be say 40 Ghana.
No so the kakra.
No so aton be 45.
Black eye kwanse mu
de be 60 Ghana no.
Abo no so akosoro.
E ko animu ano no.
And I make us Ghana blaster for nkwa no myself any match because na Japan unse say yesterday bobo Japan. I want to say we see na account. Ni team any another team na ebo. Na mo bought 3 na say mo penalties. Unim so mo penalty makoma night twice why will be antimi anse. We must one that dasa 9 on a row. But I say on one kasa force na de ba ko tumu.
Onya sure say spiritual.
Onya spiritual. Abroche dey say money no krum say na obi box akra two bro is spiritual. In yesterday na team na left take up no.
Enye because na saying I forgotten the team ne country no. Oh ye ball no. Keeper na nkasa penalty ba na ye bo penalty na no ache no but yes we move ya man yellow card ko dem no wasa ache no yes we move ni man red card o free mu no second keeper no ba no so be the same thing so je eti wi ache no player
e ko da po
so penalty no man shimi anche keeper swing na age red card e ma player be dem
so your penalty was sanka
onya sure say bi o de Abro no Marco stadium
any o
da bi Abro no ma de kotokofo obani da bia me ka kromu asem apolisifoɔ ni bi asem a ya na amanfoɔ ne menya adwen na no kotokɔsha obɛsɛ ya 21 o ka sa da no asem me ka
story no na apostle di kan
me story o se na obɛka
ayi opani asem na oka no ta waso ne tie ni pa asem we obɛfa ho abɛka sa tie apolisifoɔ
me ka sa tie obi
tesa no ni ba no bɛkɔ so achew sa get tutu no president
asem me ka se apolisifoɔ ni ba
ya no otie
apolisifoɔ ni
Maniland
ene ma mo ye na
nya no che wapenkwa no otie
as at now apolisifoɔ mienu me mo bi din wa ha
okay
they are facing interdiction
okay I don't hear they.
I give you a house in India also gina yi. There's am no dey bad ya. O house.
Ya no kotoko bo ha no. Unse last minute. Dia ya gia o me bon krofo ni asi tuo kuma se ni bi no. E ya gitia ya wa ha.
Wow.
Now say you comfortable. You humble people. Humble lion.
Your bro for say mu coach ni pepe. Where dey?
Humble lion.
Yeah, humble lion. What you say? Rainbow colors ni ti ya ho tio. Ese nyankoto nti no. Obi anto apabampo anto park so.
Sir.
The same time nwa krofo ni tutu ye nkonya bubu ye no ye de ne de obi ato praye mpo ato so na approach from you ni ayeso mko ban no say kotoko say last go no me de asagina mu
a police for no
police for ni mienu when they say we motom
the police for mo ko ni tutu o mani
anu budi asawo
ni tutu o mani to o mo de o mo hwe bia
enti ene o mu chi soloku
ye kwhwe camera mi say what an unprofessional behavior
of course
enti o mu mienu no atwetwe mo say answer ye say hwe mu wi a o mu de stadium de actually okra mo nko fa ho da so nko boban ko si say Yesu beba
sa ni actual story
oh adan obuku ya bibu
ore kotu ho
ma kotu say Yesu beba no e ho no kotu ho ne ehwe
mo de mo han mani ka sem wo
obani mani nche because me story na dem ani mo aye ni na dem ani me hu ba bia say ye mo nko stadium bia mu
temi ntimi ka story ni nyanche wana
say Yesu beba ni nyina ho
Yesu beba ho
the two officers will not be deployed at the stadium again
until Jesus come
because now can you
mommy can
mo stop heckling no nkasa feel free
I said the two officers will not be deployed at the stadium again to provide security after investigation.
Yes.
Mpo ye wie mpo a
omunko again.
Tesa police ni una beta so ekotokoni. Sample for we no okita tie gas kro no watu
asifo.
We no jira no osa. No support us anim.
Nti oya mana hye wo.
Oya mana ya oya.
Abani
ya suma
asama o kan nti eno so wom. So no jina hasifo anim na no osa.
I mean kind of so.
Okay, kan hono.
I say the action of the two officers on the day is said to be against the ethics and of the police and the Kodanche. The two officers named withheld were part of the police officers deployed at the stadium to provide security before, during and after the match. GhanaSoccerNetwork.com understand the two officers were caught on camera celebrating the last minute goal scored by Asante Kotoko in their 2-1 win over Hearts of Folk a fortnight ago. What I say? Unfortunately, the celebration were done just in front of the Hearts of Folk fans, which could have caused problems.
Punchline. Punchline. Opedi. Punchline.
Oye. Openi we are.
Ni Openi. The kwakwa say apoti for anya hwe yi.
Sir.
Young man discipline. Any ahosheso anya adwuma. Referee form debate omo team so. I don't know referee team.
Sir.
Ah?
Una oka.
Uni se fari jango to aba.
Sir.
Na ka so elected commission ko to aba no nkobi.
2016 otuma hwan.
And it so busa no.
Okay.
Salo to say no to aba. I James say o vote to aba. But if you no be try say when obi na say we ya na ekọ. It's a project for them why me ya pa. Na mpanifo so emfa we spell. Na project for akara de omo ba no. Ni ma hunu bi da. Say yakọ park. Na house supporters no be ya wono yankọ na de konti pia yan. Ma hunu bi da. E de konti sa ne ta omo roba no. Kotokofo e ba ni eja o.
Baba de uni bibi me pese ocheche o re. Esan say sofu bia prophesy. Say 2020. Ono sofu no oye kotokoni pa. But 2020 wa prophesy say 2020. Accra House of Folk.
Ene be fa league no.
Ene be fa.
When is wadi hu House of Folk. When is wadi hu.
Oso ye chane nso. Ewo kotokom. Awo Kumasi. Menhia nenso 2020.
House of Folk.
Sofu na prophesy.
House of Folk bi ne promo kromo. Nya sofu am show wo nkom.
Me try many say many told I am ka say monitor na ba ku. Akwati so. O kasa kra na account e. Oy. Mama no ha na ni not na. He tries the monitor.
Monitor emi atikopo de bi na say.
O country go brand.
O say what atikopo monitor no ne wo we. Nti ne de
atikopo. Ni mu na mi hu na kire.
Ready who mabo.
My na ni abri hey 2016 bi dan so kan bi egozi say. Up to no that Sudan ka.
The same stuff for now.
Oh.
And I'm trying to free us.
You never say that for no. I don't know okay.
This year was like Onyina no free us. O kan na mamudi Onyina no free us. Was it big way anya be hadu. Across of focus so say no to mudes aba wafan. Draw ne dawson.
Hey. Fine.
Match here kobo de na crucial mama
say House of Folk ne aduana kobo draw wo mu krom na mu kra dia hantan na ba mu
say pelig na for
you fu we de aduana kobo draw wo ni
are not only participants, we want to win the league. Who dey participate?
Obedaji league
sana mo kwa Africa mo say we dey money zone obi akobobo ye start e kwa money zone unyi what is that unni he dey money zone e pelig no na age.
Yeah, realistic.
What's realistic in this? Then na ko si akan
team abas kra ni bi Obedaji league.
More Brandon half.
See your next home match.
What has na ne ho kika ni say ya.
Your next home match.
But to so has just your fatano. This is a white in Ivana. The colors in the other man, dear Jay.
Mobile's Brandon now, more brand watch about half
almost done.
I acquiring a year. Acquiring a year.
No branding card.
This was Tremble carry.
Bass Brandon won. You wait, and your bass I got VIP can what I say, a logo.
I'm Bobo be company, Mr. Opa.
Yeah, Ombro, and a Mata, dear Ombro. As I said to me, Yama Ombro, and never be bring a button. It's only about Tremor Can.
Mudroni Bergo. What I say, now you're be an come. Some of the finished products natural. Yeah, we are sending a baby the trail. Yeah, we know,
but it's a
artistic impression.
Wow, and we have pictorial evidence.
Thank you.
Okay.
Obani. Akwaya wo Nigeria asem me wate ho asem papa pani a 50 something years a wani akwada ni kwada wanu numu nro afam wawu
beba no so answer
what is asem no
meba say de oka kotokone has match mu nkomo de ma memfa we nto aso preko adaroma say a police fo bi akosa ema yesi atwe ma sinsen okay fine pa the police for near Kotokofo. Sana patch.
Me dey na make story na me kan ye. Aso me nebo srim kan me buy the story ne to ho. Na me chia se hwe bi.
Near has ni so a onso bu obi ani ase twede
ma. But no se has this ya na. Na story wa do the story as it is.
Story
about boy we fra House of Folk. Mananya the story. Box away only position bia House of Folk.
Mananya the story na police for one position House of
Folk. Story by na be kan yon to so kan sa ne tie. House bia ni story.
Me hekel no money flow.
Order the case na my so person order the case na House of Folk.
Money flow, opening flow.
Obi akoto twede no wanya na asem a boxing association for asem aka sa.
Opening flow.
House of Folk. Boxer. And
House of Folk football team in the boxer.
has intino bar park. I ye and a done in a credit tour and in ne. Is the America's opening a passport? Edia tour and said yet neck or court. Na I send you in a class circuit court. I shall say on funny passport and traveling documents in a go be to trade easy with my crying. Nah, let me just say, the boxing license na revoke. TBF for the suspended for 6 months. I fail in a criminal trial as what I say. Okay, that's what I say. Put me more be any answer. Say you this Ofia channel now on file passport in plan and Gruma. Bibi abit me. Oh, Bibi abit me. Gloria Mahubala Sonaba. Emma Delman Messing Cotta, Blessing Cotta, Gloria Bessequa. Oh, no problem.
Technical advice.
Openi.
Ba Gloria why if pa.
Me cry me baby want send money baby san.
The why if pa. Mo fa camera no so mo fa camera.
Gloria na ni mu ye say, but you say there. Je say.
Mo fa camera. I think the first name prayers near more. The why if pa.
Mo ye du pa. No, the mammy story. No, that's a story. Na me way.
Oh, we start to akotongo.
Box say, Opening said opening say a police for akogina has for anyone say ya. Say nya me say. Story need ha. Anko mu si ba bo or a police for it said akwa ne hye we ania. Say we nya kotokolina na ono so o sa wo bi anim sa. Di say sa o said mo no e hankrofo. It's the same, no. You know, Baba boy, a year school for the blind.
No, my way.
Yeah, go for school for another park.
Okay.
No born in book.
Okay.
Why?
About own country.
Oh,
own country.
They say, yes, no, be best. But 20. They say, I'm wired to one say, young day. There be not acquire and confront and your proper. And your proper answer. The
police near said that you said, buying
as a professional
our stadium. Kotokwasa. Are you?
Oh, say asane dey.
Huh?
Asane dey.
Oh, jubilate.
Okay.
You are jubilating.
Ade wo wakoma mu nso no aya na e ba
this is highly unprofessional.
I'm not sure.
I say tell you say Colombia no your friend wa fina no e be yi wadi
oh we no dey say anodin I know dey anodin
Dabi
won say ejuma na wo mo ye no e to de bia na wo mo hia your friend is saying release stress what you say enti wa ko pay park so yi so you ko to
but you see, Gloria, this your repertoire is highly incongruous.
Bro,
who's in the paying charge? You're saying I know what you're now continue. I said, are you registered?
No, but me say, and you may be who cry so you now I what you say.
As a police here,
but as a trained officer.
Oh, that was example crying.
As a trained officer.
You may find a man that is trained because
say fire Jumaya ya acting ya ye will be a friend addendum. Ye will be a friend say adlib. I no sano ebia sebia ye you be na say you know foul moon question na wan kasa we crazy bibi e dia ka ho
so obi be obede
Satan. Oh, me sure say. Me sure so be your police media. All sending na ni be wo ho, na ni be da ho.
Dey wo gina wo yes. Omo yes ha. So ka say what gina don say so ha say.
BBC omo yes ha.
Omo yes ha. It is who can. He who calls for equity must come with clean hands. Dey wo gina ho ye. Yes how be.
Share Ruby Ajima say Gloria please stop it. You have to be professional at all times on the job. At all times on the job.
Messages ring na
at all times a message about your best is $100 billion.
But they obey has fun. Yeah, what they
on Facebook Adom 106.3 FM.
But I don't think
Uni papa ni friend Peter na free.
Oh yeah.
No idea.
Say no, yeah, police.
Yeah. I don't know if you can be any time best one and easy form. What I say? Say Bibia Bebe. Commander one Kuma, so no be able to be through a crab and grand. It's almost so much romance on the one trauma.
Missy.
Say IGP, has in here and I say California has it for now.
And you have your professional.
Says I agree the police people should have acted professionally.
Exactly.
When I was a Kotoko for Ecojina, I didn't mess with Kotoko.
Miss Mabio, we are not about a battery. Has need the back. Also, I are we a professional. Another Facebook and I also hear your professional.
And so be at me bunny professionalism. So
many professionalism here, Juma. What I say, I was like our phone because labor laws and just also hear Juma from our
much.
Yes, I'm not
trying to say, Mom release it and when you
say, your best I'm a more pamu coach. You police for us insane. Now I'm more papa and Crofu and new room had ye.
And the pioneers when I'm here. I got yesterday in the still out of the hospital.
Yeah,
Charlie.
Now the
but they say they recover you. I know also on a yoke.
Obeni. Police near or two trauma and a walk support any supposedly was auto warning shot. Now so got to fair any man go ball. Man, it's not hand me and Cassa a unprofessional. Oh, you go down that. You know when inside the Ocean.
Make a point.
And I just only maybe
I make it a
maybe a free back.
Presenting the Biana, yes, Obeni, may you know unprofessional bro for you grams and any that ones will use or show you. Yes, more big than when inside here. And think has in a saying like a police inside.
Still lie unprofessional. Whoever's called the boy, very unprofessional. If you video game cry boy crown, police phone won't come here twice a crown. I'm just adding. Wow.
About the Okasa.
Ah, Okasa. You know,
better they be a
Kotoko as one could bro referee now with match. To the stand to say, I'm dressing room crowd. Timmy,
baby, to stadium, only maybe a 22.
I remember consider the kind of stadium.
Send them to
exercise. Stadium.
And I'll
request a new picture.
Any more now exercise in maybe a 2
because says stadium many planets here, sir. And it's a stadium planet, sir. A good to be anthro, sir. Kotoko on the book coach. Timmy, power. Yet, is it what I saw for TV?
I
see. Almost on the
I'm only boat about minimum of fool. They Jenny Han and Stadium, one more quarter referee no crown, no more inside.
Okay, Kobe Edward, I say Kwame.
Oh, Massa.
Did you know that in the year 2008, when Manchester United faced Chelsea in the Champions League final, there were army men in the stand who were having fun?
They I see
they even have fun in their uniform. And I know no.
Yeah, Bobo na we no have fun.
And mum de no boy.
And teacher say Taisi.
Go you have to for ni pania brain.
So
now police
on me moi. Police ni what's in the penny abre police for me moi.
Send na
police for nyasa but we obo am go pass am ni police for. Ah. E do pani anu on we come see na okan. Say police for support some by referee. Police ni asade say ojom free conference by any means necessary. I went to must a mistake, but the big story was that Kotoko I had to trust him. I'm will be a plan. That one is bigger than the rubber bullet. I wanted to focus on the fact say I had a young stadium. Now, win, lose or draw.
No crap.
Openi a video ya babontin and say my papa dey better me kan wasem kakra. Secondary school from kwala ya say there.
Yes, how mu video enkwara ne kasa o.
Mu be say 3 and say 4 kra. Openi what kutu hu bi wa hu. Me for say a very bad development. Well, a very bad development. Sanya ya enkwada yi omo na mo ye future leaders. Na me the mechanism be be answer dance sansa, but say internet aba na mo bo phone aba. black eye ain't be near home from say wo school no na ye nim komo bone and some guys you can ya ka bida obaiti e me adwen say guys don't meet komo mu di na cha de nkora de ba but say internet wo ho
ayi Kennedy say men kan cho say oppose as pen power
hey pen
power and e bro
photocopy no
also pass pen power
man say
yeah for address jam
yeah address jam man ya ball the 5 matches 1 win what happen say to trust someone
oba so one say o se kotoko jezi afata no
and e be say
Matt Robbins
oba onya kotoko no be so
okay
every say kotoko jezi omko she has ni fefia bi she ni jezi na wo as we front man wo kwa
so to about there na who raise a issue about students
no I don't want to talk much about you say show we dey chat here na ebetimi ankwala no enhodi won sa ne ma no
that's it
internet won we ade bia me was a video me the 6 years ago was the Facebook before ko yaba 6 years today I just say concert na me you no my year ma say na papa mu ande we na we
memory
so me bisa me say kasa de we 6 tape na bibia 6 years Facebook just kitam
yeah man
and kwala no mo nyam kwala da bia they will grow some of them will become ITP ministers in your you should think from that direction set life na nyenu nyina ni
that's right.
Gloria,
what is your take on
Sansem semi-media, ye kasa ye can, not just say. Say no, I know na mebra can say social media na aban. A best sunny ma be brave. Anka caneno yen time put the ansana ye be whom possess would the ukra phone. I was school no. Na one shot. Yen you were dear, ye be suspended. Just say, ne ebi ni hosa. But say phone no, and phone no, and 8-year-old cry will cry phone. Ya to phone a mano. Wo internet so. Wo Facebook, wo Instagram. Enti sa ne mano yentimi entraso and Tamsa, but the bit me I understand campaign awofo a ewofie ene omoma ebedin komona a teacher for so a womusu school ebe make sure say say minim say ebia restrictions in ni school mu a minim
abone so ho
enkona abone ni de wo but say no niam a wo mu no
ways bi omo de be
find wo ni omo tene doso enti eno na magina so say yenso mpanyimfo ya titiu pa ne yen a ye wo limelight ya enkwala ni nyina ehwe yen no I think say yenso na wo say yetimi kire niam pa bi a mofra no wo muntimi mpepre wo ho bebre sa because most of them trust me just wo munya kran koma wie school and niam a wo ye no school mo na esin obi a wo wie school wo mo ba internet so mo be hwe yen niam ebe di echitie ya sem no yen na wo say ye twa sabi editor papa bi ye bo kwan bi and ye man so ye de beto won so be positive na aboa ama mofra no so o manye ye say so tie celebrity bi na we o kick o ye wo bia na so o ka bibia wo pe a ofin say okay obi etnya betna ayiso internet
na o ye atem so onya din
o ye bibia o treke a na obi a ni age ne ho wo run ho a eno no trust me enne ye bre a ye womu yi negative niema na tompa unfortunately say we ye bibia ye just say negative na ye nudity and all those explicit stuff na eno na ekwachire pa and within a split second bad news cells. You say there is no bad publicity. And it say more friends who won't say, oh, now we cry and why style and yen no be a bonidin na a mamma frano so almost say a good thing to do.
That's right.
And it's Sunny Manina was say, yes, they say restrictions be brave party. menye sure say betimi aye adwuma sa enti makoma
what ase
kola ne die say no
ba yesen kola ne ye say you omadi betimi mpanifo consider decision
say
yeah
you day students
no kram program for say
eno na aye asem eno day students brother na just say man freedom
nanka o ka say yenyi na dia yenyi na dia o sa dey go another school
and na because say come free school ho. This is the time when they need the school people.
These students no cry na counsel.
I say your mom counseling in your manoma. If you want school one year more town.
Na senior high schools no cry more counseling centers are very effective.
That they say they
as a who go any bio.
Nanti say they students.
When you can say
students are yeah funny say.
Yes because they yomadi.
Yeah funny say omun eni sakro ne so
yeah omuni ajoso say
omuni ho na bi omo won cry na bi ofina ha na no ye kopede students man no kra na ya sai
I say ha dan ma no you no so say me lie
what you say me mo from wetimi kan sem say there na che say e was say etimi
na say back ni wan bi kwa bakwa there as omu ye group as obe ma wo ho bro ye mpe panda form a ye mpe we yi so a no ma so ye mpe.
Can you imagine?
Like I draw Adom online or say happy birthday to Josephine Coleman of Nagio Car Rentals. I was in Yankopon Wishanepa.
That's right.
You took a car wako.
Fantastic. Na munim say Gloria you are nominating no. And now why the money away?
No we the kakum
Gloria nomination there
me dasi bebre nomination na menya me fa ne say Yankopon Adom esan say big deal pa award scheme bia say esombo pa na emodru African Magic Viewers Choice Award ye twa so friend no AMVCAs and the whole of Africa one more international recognition eka ho and Yankopon Adom any Shelley Frimpong so Adom one so or cast me as the supporting character Perfect Picture 10 years later and Nyame Adoma menya nomination for best supporting actress na near NJ won ho kra ne say eno na ye the only nomination from Ghana, the only nominee this year if free Ghana movies are the call ye nyinara say ye movie no production no technical whatever cast acting ninyina and no pet any the only nomination if free Ghana this year.
Wow.
Best supporting actress.
Best supporting actress.
How
you vote to the support here. How do we go about it? Ghana voting.
Me patro me da sibe. Patro voting a link wo call internet and I say www.africamagic.dstv.com/show/AMVCA www.africamagic.dstv.com/show/AMVCA Pacho woko hwa wo selective vote on the open menu na beba no na fe open menu no so no wa scroll ya down akọ select best supporting actress number show eno no ubo a din ni nyina beba Gloria Safo ewo ho na wa select Gloria Safo na fe wa register register with your full details register we are na fe vote no ekwan abeda ho na we vote na vote no per vote bia 100 slots enti ubenwu se be bia plus ne wo no eno ane se wo de wamiamia so a kosi se 100 ni nyina be exhausted na me ye the only Ghanaian in so de e was all the 100 votes ni nyina so ema me enti eno no mesa e de ejamo na maka na se minsi su biom so a metimi asisu biom de se na be ya ubetimi avoti ama me ni www.africamagic enye African pacho africamagic.dstv.com/show/AMVCA timi pacho wuko hwa na wa selective vote ewo menu no so na wasan ko on the vote ubie wo menu no so anwa scrolly wo scrolly a wo be hu say categories ni nyina wo ho na wakwohwehwe best supporting actress na wo be hu Gloria Safo e wo honom e pacho the only Ghanaian me wo competition
what's Ghana nimpa
me da this is for Ghana
gentleman oba na mahunu na ofreme see so some ampania to no badin was what draw me what draw say on family me wa ha wow and I body
Efremi Isaac
be mic no
Efremi Isaac ba social media de Poncho Cross na
Poncho Cross
ti ado nya hwe de odi ba
peja kosro na tia no Otia no. Obebo owia manintia no owia no abo. Manintia no owia no abo. Wow, I know na Otia no studio but those on Facebook no betumi achi action no. Mon join here Adom 106.3.
That's how we superstar.
That's right.
This is beautiful.
Mon share on Facebook. Mon share on Facebook. Fantastic.
Wow. But the mama first say me akasa.
Ba se picture na first your body.
Try
na how did you draw eh?
Kwame try na ese
pencil. The pencil nko a.
And I know akwa bi draw me na
pencil pa.
And I know akwa bi draw me na me new TV so kind new. Me wie na so de buy na obi so kire o na o say eh apofoje beto na bubefu. Wie na wajane aja picture. But this is a true reflection of your body. Why are they part? Now, what's the attention benam? What's about fruit? Okay, my four bars. My four bars. What's that in the hidden elbow? What in the hidden elbow? Wow. But in the hidden elbow. I don't mind Jenny. Wow.
Awesome. Wow.
Or the hidden elbow. Oh, Kofi B. I mean, found currency. Sure. You know what you do?
The general of the Tukrame boy.
So on social media, person follow I am going.
Instagram Efriva Isaac 76. Now Ubo Poncho Cross no crash still now.
Okay, Poncho Cross. Thank you so very much. Why?
Tell us didn't know about the coronavirus on the craving to me.
Why are they? Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Obani, Mr. Opa, or said, na Kwame photo ne da so na. Ye bought them refedue. I was say ye bomb pie.
Oh boy. Mommy, I go for Mubarak. For Mubarak, they share the traffic they share the traffic situation. Hello, Mubarak.
Hello, Mofase.
My traffic situation in the capital.
Black Eye traffic and my baby PMU our 7. Our free air ring road. I'm on Mudio Manichemu, our Magina Tema, and then Pete Madenta. So when I'm ring road, no, so ring road, no, so now Kwanza Bedre Sankara runabout and black traffic. No, actually, I was Sankara runabout no Temwa to go PMU or Jubilee House and Nimho. Every Jubilee House and Nimho, I did PMU test 7 so traffic and Black Eye. I know D Papa Sankara runabout one because the traffic and I see actual hono. Omo free ya cry, I did Babesia call a Jubilee House so Oma join traffic in our Sankara House as a hot diano. I know I saw ye pa, and it's a bus I met him Hodian, just a union to me, Pacho. uru tres and so kwa na no ID papa every Jubilee House so go PM or 37 so black house traffic no ano ID pa na mo so mo free 37 how mon dia money chire mo circle kaneshi ene ne pete mo so no like every GBC anim ho na ekoko PM e Nima police station straight to Paloma traffic no aso no every GBC anim ho sa de koko PM e Nima police station de kwa koko PM o Paloma omo so za area mo so achi pa na se wo ko 37 na say tema ana say ukọ Madina dentane ni pete mu black baby asa wo fani esa ne say sakwan so achiri ndi bombo da so betima fa Nima wo fara na about no ano ko pimu ewo Jubilee House won just say watwam na wo na ukọ no kanda so black as say make as so achi eni nti wo ya wadun say ukọ fa so betimi ayehye eni nti bombo da so betima fa kotoba bi wodi mu ana ko fa pick farm no adjoin ni NSS road no na just say watwam wanya shortcut na wo na ukọ no nti black eye aha any the traffic situation ni ebesi woni papa bills double the action mo so mo studio madam ase bebre
Mubarak Yakubu Yakubu and as they say also me your office anyway Yakubu me
this is so palokia
there's aquatic say the Vodafone say the obetumi atua bills nyina say you don't need to travel from one place to another send every abetua ko tua bills o Vodafone ko aso dia what to edi kra bibia obehia Visa card to do your payment in the Vodafone online bill and payment ebetumi aboa easy kra bibia the Mastercard beto Vodafone cash bibia obehia mobile money payment bibia obehia bia no a say we send this sika na say utua sika bia utua wo bills bia no Vodafone boa masa kwanya no edi abem edi amount what the answer say visit myvodafone.vodafone.com.gh myvodafone.vodafone.com.gh na uduru abe create wa unique username and no password and no na obe gina so and no account number no na obe gina so na odi atua wo payment bia opese wo tua opese wo tua electricity bills or phone bills DS bill bia opese wo tua no the future is exciting with Vodafone online bill and payment mbese odu hu shemu bi say Vodafone there so ayede ye ankasa